Talking Tom. And I'm Dog Talking Angela. And today, we're going to blow an air horn in the library because we're being quiet and the library is boring. Here we go at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh no, it's a librarian.
Dark Talking Tom and Dark Talking Angela, I can't believe you both blew an air horn in the library. You know the library is a place to read books and be quiet, not for blowing air horns. That's it, you both are banned from the library for a week. Get out of the library now.
Dark Talking Tom and Dark Talking Angela, where were you both?
We were in the library and we blew an air horn in the library. And we got banned from the library for a week.
What? Oh my god. Dark Talking Tom and Dark Talking Angela, I can't believe you blew an air horn at the library and got banned from the library for a week. You know you both are not allowed to bring an air horn to the library, because it's a place to read books, not to play with air horns. That's it. You both are grounded for a week.
Now both of you go to your rooms right now.